Hi, this is Kerry with Primeline Products, giving another Primeline product quick tech tip. Today we're going to discuss item K5007 as a push button latch handle set. These are the various items that will be in the package, and we'll be discussing each one of those. This is the inside handle. It is used to open the door from the inside. It does have a locking pin on it that is used if you want to keep the door secure. The next item is the strike that's spring-loaded. As the door closes, latches into this location. You're given two shims in case you've got to put it underneath the strike to raise it to the right level for the inside handle. It comes with a cone-shaped spring, and this is an important part, that you put the larger end of the spring towards the push button and the smaller side is facing towards your door. The push button has what is called a tailpiece, and you're going to have to trim this tailpiece down depending on the thickness of your door. What's recommended is, I've drawn it on a little piece of paper, that as a minimum it should be 3/16 of an inch longer than when it pushes through the inside of the door, and a maximum of 5/16 of an inch. The rest would get trimmed off. The outside handle, the push button just gets centered into that, and these are your mounting screws for it. These are sheet metal screws that mount your strike plate.